Hello everyone, welcome back to this lecture on static website hosting using S3. So as you know, right, S3 is an object storage. Other than that, what we can do is like we can host an static website using S3 instead of going with an EC2 instance. It helps us to reduce cost as well. So once you log into your console, just search for S3. So you can go ahead and create a new bucket. So you can name your bucket, like your bucket name should be unique across all AWS account. So just make sure you are creating a unique name. So in this case, right, I'm hosting like my static website. So once I have provided the name, right, I'll be providing the ACLs as enabled so that I can configure it as a static website. ACL is nothing but providing who can access the objects for this in this bucket. So once I come down, right, I don't want to block the public access for this bucket since it will be a public bucket access to over the internet. So I must acknowledge these things. So once I have acknowledged those things, right, I'll create this bucket. So my bucket is ready and up. So I have created two sample HTML files from ChatGPT. So I'll be sharing these files along with this video so that you can also make use of them. So what I'll do is like I'll upload those files into this bucket. So if you scroll down into the properties permission sections, right, you can see over here like grant public read access so that everyone in the internet, right, can read this objects. So I'll just upload these files. Once the upload, so you can see the upload has been completed successfully. So now I will going into the properties section. Right at the bottom of the screen, you can see S3 static website hosting. So I'll click on edit and I'll make sure I'll enable it. And then I'll provide my index.html as my home page to my website and error.html to for as an error page. So once I save these changes, right? So I'll be getting an URL which can be accessed in the internet. So if I go over here, so you can see this is my website homepage using S3. So you will be getting an URL for your website as well. So you can configure it to your relevant URL domain names accordingly. So for accessing my error page, if I type like some error paths, so I'll be going into my error page. So that's it for this lecture. Make sure you clean up all the resources that you have created in this lecture. So for example, I'll be cleaning up my S3 bucket. Thank you.